Hey everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to download Gumroad files for free. You can browse over 1.6 million free and premium digital products in education, tech, design, and more from Gumroad creators and online entrepreneurs. So, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to gumroad.com. On the Gumroad dashboard, you'll see various categories like designs, drawing and painting, 3D, self-improvement, music, and sound effects. Choose a category you're interested in. For this tutorial, I'll go to the Self-Improvement tab and select Psychology. On the next page, I'll pick a book to download for free. You might be surprised by the free gems you find. A new payment screen will open, showing the price as $0. Type 0 in the Name a Fair Price box and click Add to Cart. On the next page, enter your email address and click the Get button appear. You'll see a Download button appear. Click on the Download button and wait a moment. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a Gumroad file for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching,